Once you've created some content and attached it to a site view node, you may wish to move that node to different parts of your tree. To do this, head to site view and use the tree to navigate to the node that you wish to move. In this case, I've got my Lunar Pot node with my Lunar Pot entry attached, and it's accidentally been added to my plant directory. Using the three dots or a right click, I can open the context menu and choose Move. From here, I get to pick the node that I'd like to move my node to. So I open my Products node, choose my pot directory, and choose Move Node. I get a notification to say that this has now been moved. And if I close the plant directory and open the pot, I can see my Lunar Pot node has been moved here. In the same way, if I wanted to move a node that includes child nodes, I can select that, use the action menu again, choose Move, and perhaps I want to move this plant directory up to the root node so it's at the first level. I select Home, I choose Move Node, and that entire directory gets moved up to the highest level within my tree. So there you have it. That's moving nodes in SiteView.